You know if your battery's flat if it sounds like this. That's definitely flat. So if you don't have a donor car, you need a jump starter from Repco, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Before I do anything, I need to check the condition of the battery. And in this particular car, it's in the boot. Look for leakage, sulfuric acid, look for damaged terminals or loose terminals. And in this case, the battery is in really good condition, so I'm comfortable to jump start this car. Before you use the jump starter, check your car's manual. It'll tell you where to connect to the posts and any other additional precautions. So now we're going to hook up the jump starter pack. Now this jump starter is at 1200 amp, which is a bit more than we need for this car, but bigger is better. And when you do buy one of these, just ask them at the Repco store what size you might need for your application. Now the red goes to the red, but it also goes to the plus, so make sure you can see a plus and see red. The black one goes directly to the position that it tells me in the book, which is this earthing stud. So we make sure it makes really good contact there and wheel it around a little bit to get rid of any oxidisation that might be there, because this is going to have a lot of amps running down these leads, lots of power. I turn the jump pack on. Now I'll go and start the car. Okay, how easy was that? The jump starter works perfectly. If it takes more than 6 seconds to start, you need to wait for 3 minutes before you give it another go. Otherwise, you can cause permanent damage to the jump starter pack. Okay, now the car's running, I'm going to switch off the battery pack, remove the negative lead, which was the second one that I put on. We always remove the black one first. I'm going to wind them back up. Now I'll remove the positive lead and put the cap back on the positive terminal. And we're good to go. Just got to close the bonnet.